Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Naya Mentions. If you like me, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Okay, before getting into the video, I would like to say something, and this is related to my mother. A few weeks ago, she accidentally burnt her hand while she was working in the kitchen. Somehow, she managed to pour hot water on her hand, right hand, and this portion and this got a little burnt. And this happened around 8:15 in the morning, and till 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we were trying home remedies, yeah, which included aloe vera gel, toothpaste, cold water, etc., etc. We tried everything, but nothing worked. Finally, around 1ish, she started getting blisters, which we all freaked out. Like, she started getting blisters. So then she had to go to the doctor because these things require medical attention. Then she went to the doctor. Now then they bandaged it and then gave medications. Now she's fine. But the only point which I was trying to say is that in this COVID scare, we all avoid going to the doctors, so we trust on home remedies. But these kind of home remedies, they don't work at all. That's what I have noticed, and I think in my case, home remedies have never worked. So I saw that in the case of burn as well, it didn't work. Like, nothing works. You need a doctor. You need medications to, pull yourself out of this. So if God forbid, if you face any issue like a burn or a cut, consult a doctor. Do not waste your time on home remedies. That's what I'll suggest. Yeah. Okay, anyways, today I have with me a kajal, and this is from the brand Biotique, and this is the Biotique Natural Makeup Magical Kajal. Yeah. So basically, there's a lot of wordplay going on with magical and all. Okay, so basically, this is, as you saw, from the brand Biotique. Biotique is a very natural brand, and the products of this brand are really safe. I have used the Biotique face pack and a papaya face scrub, and that was really good. So this says makes my eyes expressive naturally, and this is the blackest black color. Somehow I like only black eyeliner and black kajal. I don't like any other color because I don't know, other colors like red and blue, brown, and they don't suit me well. Only black suits me the best. Okay, so this says 12 hour stay long formula, and this retails for 159 rupees, and this will expire by 11/21. So you have a lot of time to use this. And what this says is high definition smudge proof intense kajal for a smooth and glamorous look, keeps the eyes looking bright and fresh all day long. Okay, magical herb treasure. Okay, this has a lot of herbs. So this says this therapeutic kajal and eyeliner is specially designed with precious and traditional herbs like amla, harar, and mulethi. Mulethi is actually licorice. And my voice can be a little low today because I'm not recording from my phone. I'm using my mother's phone. My phone is not working. Catastrophe. My phone is not working. I don't know. I have to show it to the center. It's not working. Okay. And mulethi is licorice, and harar, I don't know what harar is. And along with the goodness of rich almond oil, cooling properties of camphor makes it soothing formulation for your eyes. Okay, so how to use, you know that you how to use this. You have to draw a line on your waterline and above your eyelash you have to use it. And this is how it is. This is organically pure and preservative free, dermatologically tested for safety, no animal testing. Okay, and this is 35 grams in quantity. So these are the specifications of this. I think this is Frida. I'm not sure though. I don't know. The packaging is very bright and very eye catchy. Like, there are many different colors. I also tried many different colors, as I generally wear the color of the package. I like doing that. Okay, so let's open this and see how this is. Okay, so after a 5 minute struggle, I finally managed to open this. And the best part is the expiry is mentioned over here, so you don't have to keep this thing safe. Like, this is mentioned over here, so that's really good. And let's see. So this is the kajal. The quantity is quite a lot. Okay. Okay. So this is quite black. So let's apply it on eyes and see how this fares. Yeah, I'll just zoom in a little bit. Okay, so I have zoomed in a little bit. So let's apply this and see how this fares. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Somehow I'm not that very impressed with this. I don't know why. Okay, so I applied it on my eyes, and somehow I am not very happy with the results. The kajal is not very dark. Like, I have applied a lot of kajal, and if you have seen my videos, I like to apply thick kajal, and you can see this is not that dark. Like, I don't know, as an eyeliner this is okay, but there's a lot of tugging. It's not very smooth in application. There's a lot of tugging, and as a kajal I don't think this does a very good job. This doesn't even feel like kajal. Like, if you can see from this distance, it's not that dark. I wonder why. Okay, and this is smudge proof for sure. This is smudge proof. This is much proof. But I don't know, if you ask me, I really didn't like it much, because there are many kajal like from the brand Himalaya that works like a charm on your eyes, like just a single stroke and it gives you bold eyes. But this one I don't think so. So according to me, I didn't like it much, but if you like it, you can give this a try. Yeah, so that was it. That was my honest and honest that was my honest take on Biotique Kajal. I'll see you guys next time. It's another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all. And also do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for being there. And I love you all.